tuyanziza nnyo mwe n'abeekuumira Gwanda Boy UG era n'aba subscribing okola omulimu gw'amaanyi gwe n'atana subscribing amadde nsaba subscribing tubeere nga tusobola okweyongera mu maaso era gwe n'atana bakumpera kano ka video ka like badde nsaba okampera ka like mbateera olutambula ssaawa zino ku social media anyongera bajjukiza ba sponsors baffe Biva Organic nga onakola ku buli bwadde bwonna nga kwesa eddagala lya butonde ate ajja tikaloda gamba jangu akulombera edduwa ebizibu bibiri nga bitera namba esembeyo 67 mukubire takozesa ebikolwa bya kirogo okinga ngamba ka video kano kampera ka like obatona bakumpera ka like Barbie Kyagulanyi essanyu jelere nga ye akulembedde omugole mu photoshoot enyambala buli kimu omugole wa ZAAKE olwanaku olwaleero nga 10 April za MP waffe ZAAKE owa Mityana waliwona mwena mumumanyi abadalwanirira mu banup era abadde one of the comrades abali ku nup olwanaku olwaleero ayanjudde naye nga abantu bagamba bino ebifaananyi byadda era videos tuzireeta maaso awo era basasi baffe bagenze ku field olwanaku olwaleero bali side z'Emityana era videos zonna bagenze kola kizireeta kambalekere kana akatambi mujja mukalaba naye nga wetulinda video entuufu leero.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah.